How to fix an error connecting to the Apple ID server. First, make sure you're connected to the internet. If your device isn't connected to the internet, accessing Apple services won't be possible. Ensure your iPhone or iPad is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Second, change your Apple ID password. It's advisable to periodically update your Apple ID password. If it hasn't been changed recently or doesn't align with Apple's current recommendations, consider making the change. Third, check your iPhone or iPad's date and time settings. 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Tap General. 3. Tap Date and Time. 4. Enable Set Automatically. If it's already enabled, disable it, then re-enable. Additionally, verify that the time zone is accurate. 4th, do a network settings reset. If your Apple ID appears unable to connect due to your iPhone or iPad not establishing an internet connection, even after verifying Wi-Fi and cellular settings, consider performing a network settings reset. Keep in mind that this action will reset your cellular settings, requiring you to sign in again to previously joined Wi-Fi networks.